This bench is hijacked by particular political party today.
Shows the state of affairs.
Police inaction matters that we used to know, my lord, even a decade back, or maybe prior to 2020, used to be completely different. Now, my lord, the police inaction bench is more of a, my lord, it partakes of the nature of a criminal court now.
It's a criminal writ jurisdiction. Yes.
My lord, item number 4 is my application, my lord.
Lord, I have
My lord,
filed
the
an
petitioner
Lord,
is the president of the students wing of All India Trinamool Congress.
Lord, I have
Now, my
filed
lord,
an
there is a
application in the
he has an
repetition
application, my lord. May I
for addition
take-
of party, my lord.
may
my
place
lord
my
will take
case,
it
my
back.
lord. Now, my lord, for 28 years, the foundation day of the students wing is held at Mayo Road, except for 2 years. One is 2022 and one is 2008. For 26 years out of the last 28 years, the foundation day of the students wing of Trinamool Chhatra Parishad has been held at Mayo Road. Accordingly, my lord, giving the police authorities ample time to react, my lord, we had made an application on 27th of July 2026 with reminders on 3rd of August and on 4th of August. Now, my lord, I'll be candid with your lordship, my lord. By an email at around 8 p.m. on 17th of August, they asked me to come before them on 18th of August. My lord, I did not check the mail, my lord. Could not appear, my lord, on 18th of August before them. I was sent an email whereby my prayer was not, I will not say rejected, but my lord, curtailed to an extent where they say that don't hold the meeting at an open area, go to any indoor place. Whereas for 28 years, my lord, I have held that meeting at an open area at Mayo Road only. Now, my lord, suddenly an unreasonable restriction has been put on me.
Where is your application?
Yes, my lord. 27 July, my lord, is the application. Your lordship will kindly come to page 33 and 37. But 33 is the covering email and 37 is the prescribed format which the Kolkata police desires us to file.
Page 33 is your application.
Is my application. And 37 is the prescribed format.
আসেনি না? আসবে না? আসবে। ঠিক বল- This is the prescribed format.
Prescribed format is at page 37, my lord. And covering letter is at 33. Now, my lord, two things are important to be pointed out. One is the prescribed format. Because why it is important, I'll come to that, my lord. Because there is an intervention application in this for addition of party. They don't have this prescribed format. And what is important, another thing important is the date. Well, I approached the authorities on 27th August. Why these two are important, my lord? Because the person who wants to be added today in my writ petition is, my lord, claiming to be another faction of it. I'll address it, my lord, before conclusion of my submissions. Now, my lord,
You applied on 27 July 26.
yes. Now, my lord, I have received the.
Now the point is who will get Mayor Road?
No, they have rejected both the factions, saying that you go to an indoor place. First question is, my lord, one thing both the parties
Just
are
a minute.
addendum.
The foundation day of All India Trinamool Congress
Of Trinamool Chhatra Parishad.
Trinamool Chhatra Parishad. To observe foundation day.
To observe the foundation day. And it has been going on for 28 years.
Just a minute. Okay. Your email letter is is dated 27 July.
27 July
In prescribed format
is at page
it is also 27 July.
My lord.
Same date.
Same date. It is an
Then-
annexure to the email.
Then where is the response?
Yes, my lord, it is in the supplementary affidavit because the writ was filed prior. Kindly
Thereafter, order was passed.
yes, my lord, page 14. Stop করা হয়েছে? My lord, page 14.
So then if you hold program in any hall or any venue as suggested by the police authority, where is the harm?
I tell you, Lordship. My lord, first of all, my lord, this rejection, if I may say it, call it a rejection.
Not a rejection.
It is a, even if I call it a regulation, it is not a reasonable one at all.
Permitted you to hold program in indoor venue.
I cannot be restricted, my lord, in this fashion, unless, my lord, they in their order cite an imminent threat to public order. My lord, what I am exercising today is my right, is my fundamental right. If that is to be, my lord, regulated, restraint is out of the question. But if that is to be regulated, it has to be reasonable. This reasonableness, my lord, stands on the footing of an imminent threat to public order that your lordships had held. But I'll show your lordship, my lord. My lord, their administrative constraint they cannot cite because, my lord, it is their responsibility to look into the law and order. They cannot shirk off their responsibility by saying that I cannot make arrangement, you go to an indoor venue. No, I am exercising my fundamental right. It is for you. You can say that do not put 1,000 loudspeaker, you put 500 loudspeaker. You can say
No,
that
you
the
have
venue does not accommodate 6,000
indicated in your application that the number of participants
is 6,000.
will be 6,000.
They
So
can
I will
say,
direct them to offer Netaji Indoor Stadium.
well, they can say that
Very
do
good
not
venue.
hold 6,000, you can hold 5,000.
No,
But they cannot
I will
say,
direct the police authorities to make an arrangement and permit you to
I'll
hold
tell you.
program at Indoor Stadium.
but for that also they need to have it has to be a reasonable restriction. When this same venue is given to other parties, same party, other faction, on 21st of July, my lord, when two factions made application, I had to come to court. My faction had to come to court. But, my lord, for the other faction, the police gave permission at the same Mayor Road. Therefore, as far as Mayor Road is concerned, there is no administrative constraint when it is being given to other parties. Now, my lord, I have given a chart with my writ petition where I have demonstrated that in open area, open road, how many, my lord, political rallies have been held from 4th of May. My lord, kindly take that chart once.
Page
My lord, 46. My lord, kindly take the chart. My lord, 8th of May. 8th of May, left front held rally at Esplanade. 10th June, left link trade unions had held a rally at Fairley Place, Eastern Railway.
show me
21st
that
June,
any program is permitted at Mayor Road near Gandhi statue.
fourth one in the box. 21st July, a group of people led by Ritabrata Banerjee at Mayor Road, and it was a Shohid Divas program. Therefore, it is
21st July program.
and it's not a working day. Your lordship will remember because I had appeared for one of the part for the petitioner in that matter. The point taken was that it's a working day. And because of traffic, it cannot be given. And we had to go at another
understand your point. Yes, Mr. Chakraborty.
Can you take up my application first, Lord?
Yes.
Can one in your lordship's
You
file?
can one দাও ওর application আছে এর মধ্যে yes can one
Lord, Lord, I am the president of the Trinamool Chhatra Parishad. Now, Lord, I am protected by an order of a competent court, which, according to my information, has not been assailed by anybody. My Lord, will kindly have a look at that order, my Lord, that I have annexed.
yes
Page 8 is the order starts.
yes
Lord, I don't want to trouble your lordship with the entire order sheet. Kindly come to page 15, the ordering portion. An injunction has been passed in favor. Kindly see.
yes
The defendants and their men and agents are hereby restrained from creating disturbances to the National Working Committee elected at the special session held on 22nd June 2026. Constitutes the only lawful executive body authorized to administer the affairs of All India Trinamool Congress along with the defendants, their agents, servants, associates, or any person claiming through them from representing themselves as office bearers of the party are also restrained from interfering with the administration of the party, issuing directions or appointments in the name of the party, dealing with the party's record, funds, bank accounts, or the properties, and communicating with constitutional or statutory authorities on behalf of the party. So it's a clear injunction on the person who is filed the petition to not make any communication with any statutory body. Then, moreover, the defendants and their men and agents from taking forceful possession of the newly constituted Trinamool Congress office, so and so. Kindly have a look at the plaint.
who are the defendants
I'm showing the plaint.
Also, Commander says who is the plaintiff? Whether my learned friend's client is the
But
plaintiff.
I did not interrupt Mr. Banerjee, but I hope he will maintain.
I'm not interrupting. You took a pause. That is why I made a sentence.
Then I will not take a pause, Miller, so that he don't interrupt.
yes who are the plaintiffs
Give
and
me the
defendants
plaint. Just give me a second, minute. I have a soft copy. I'll just show you, lordship's minute. The defendants are Srimati Mamata Banerjee, the members of National Working Committee, they are the defendants. Our case is on.
তুমি থাকবে আর ইয়েকে
এত আনন্দিত হয়ে কেন কোর্টে আসে সবসময়? Always.
পারবে না
This is the minutes by which the National Working Committee was created on 22nd June. And by virtue of the National Working Committee, I have been appointed as the president of Trinamool Chhatra Parishad. Now, on the strength of this, we approached the court, some of the members, and they obtained an injunction against the members of the National.
who are the plaintiffs
Yes, this is the plaint. Not this is something else. Not pardon me. Plaintiff is Srimati Jui Bishwas, Sri Anirban Das, Sri Rupa Mitra.
who are they
Lord, they are the members of our organization. Lord, they are members. They filed the suit, and the
how
defendants.
that this order is relevant
My Lord, by this order, the defendants and anybody claiming under them has been restrained from even writing any letter to the statutory authority claiming themselves to be the Trinamool
this
Congress.
is the purpose so far this writ petition is concerned
Lord, they are claiming before your lordship that they are the members of Trinamool Chhatra Parishad.
this is your internal feud court will not enter into this
Lord,
so this,
I have.
you fight out your case
Lord, we are
you
protected by an order of
establish before the
injunction.
appropriate forum that who is
Lord,
the real organization
Lord, the prima facie.
The point is this, a political organization has come forward seeking a permission from state administration or police administration to hold a program.
Now, the next writ petition is my writ petition where I have asked for permission at the same venue on 1st of August. That has also been rejected. I have also assailed that order.
Rejected by say similar order
Similar order.
and suggesting the applicant
Indoor.
to hold program at indoor.
Indoor.
Now, whether both of you are ready to agreeable to do the program or to perform the program, convene the program jointly at Mayor Road, then I will permit.
They are
both of you-
not
to hold program at Mayor Road near Gandhi statue.
As per the National
Yes.
National Working Committee
Because I
minutes,
will not enter into that who is the real Trinamool, who is wrong Trinamool, and what would be the ramifications
as
for the
per,
Please allow this court, so far this order of the
I'm
civil
sorry.
court is
I'm
concerned.
sorry, Milord.
You fight out your case up to the hilt and obtain an order from an appropriate forum.
My lord.
Now I am asking Mr. Banerjee and Mr. Chakraborty, Mr. Bandyopadhyay and Mr. Chakraborty, if both of you are agreeable to convene the program jointly, then I will permit you to hold
No, my
program at
client is not.
Mayor Road near Gandhi statue.
I can
My
take
client is
instruction.
not agreeable. Milord.
I can take instruction.
My client
Right
is not
now, I
agreeable.
can-
And what has fallen from your lordship?
Then Mr. Mitro, allow them to organize the program at same places where 21st July program were organized.
No,
my lord,
Separate.
very
I
well.
will not permit anybody.
I bow down.
I will not permit anybody to hold program. at
I'll bow down. I'll bow down to that. I completely
I
bow
will
down.
not permit anybody.
Very well. No, where we have done, we'll do it.
No,
Where
that
we
is
have
Mayor
done,
Road.
we'll do it.
That is Mayor Road.
Yes.
They were allowed on 21st July. I was not allowed.
Mayor or venue will not be given to anybody. Mr. Chakraborty,
Then my kindly gives me Rani Rashmani Avenue.
so far I remember, because I had the occasion to consider those matters where I permitted, subject to the submission made on behalf of learned Advocate General, to hold program, to convene program, 21st July program on Cathedral Road,
Cathedral.
one flank of Cathedral Road. That I remember, one flank of Cathedral Road. Now you suggest, subject to the police authorities note,
And let
any
the advocate
program, but Mayor Road will not be given.
But
to
in
anybody.
place of Mayor Road, I can go to Rani Rashmani Avenue.
Let the.
I'll be candid with you.
I
It is just the next road. I'll go to Rani Rashmani Avenue.
No, you go to Cathedral.
yes.
So where you have organized program successfully on 21st July, Mr. Bandyopadhyay. Don't stand in the way.
Milord,
Yes, Mr. Chakraborty.
Milord, my program did not create any kind of trouble to the state.
Mayor Road, if you
So I should
both
be
of you
allowed
are
to, Milord,
agreeable to convene program at Mayor Road jointly, I will permit you. Otherwise, I will not. Choice is
they are refusing
then,
that
then, then,
proposal
then,
from the.
then
Yes, Milord, we are
opt
refusing.
for another venue. Mayor Road will be reserved for next year.
Absolutely, Milord, usurpers, we will not hold programs. With.
Yes,
Milord, as per 22nd June resolution, we are the Milord.
that I do not know. This
And
is
there's
not,
a order
this is
protecting
not
our
proceeding
interests.
to find out who is, or to decide who is real Trinamool.
But since they're an order of injunctions, they should not represent themselves.
Who is original Trinamool and who is duplicate
Your
Trinamool.
Lordship
That will not be
dealt with
decided
that,
in
Milord.
this
In 14081, your Lordship dealt with that part, what Mr. Chakraborty is saying.
Which
That your Lordship in the writ petition will not go into that question. In WPA 14081, your Lordship
Yes, the
dealt with.
question is not decided. My lord has not gone into that.
Kindly sees paragraphs 29.
That doesn't mean
30.
it also may not decide ever. Get a copy.
এখন add হওনি আমি কপি আনি নি তো
Oh,
paragraph 28.
29 মানে সুরজিৎ
এটা করতে পারে জিজ্ঞেস কর। এটা জিজ্ঞেস কর,
29
এটা
30
করবে ওরা।
36 37
Action.
Yes, that I remember. What I have held.
36 37
Yes.
I just
My lord said, my lord would
And
not,
that order has not been interfered with by.
my lord would not go into that issue that your lordship has said. Very
No, I am not going into that issue.
in a
Because that is
petition.
not a case where that issue needs to be dealt with.
My lord, my lord. We will we'll take care of this, my lord, in the appropriate
Now,
proceeding.
first choice is that organize program at Mayor Road jointly. If you fail to, if you,
But I can take instruction on that.
But they would have.
today I will finish it off.
But ECI is asking them to reply for 2 months. They have not been
You
able
have,
to file.
you have
reply.
That's also
idea
not a
about
part
my
of this
docket.
petition. my lord.
It is not possible to adjourn the matter again and hear the matter again.
I have asked the same team to take instructions on this.
Yes, in the meantime, let me pass an order directing directing the police administration, CP headquarter, joint CP headquarter, to permit the petitioner in this writ petition to hold program on one flank of Cathedral Road, and number of participants would be 800, not more.
It's on
My applied is 6,000.
What can be done?
But again, the state will come up saying
Bandyopadhyay,
alleging contempt.
then Mr. Bandyopadhyay go to Netaji Indo Stadium, that is permissible.
But that
I
is
do
why I'm
not know
asking for
what is the capacity of Indo
Rani
Stadium.
Rashmani Avenue. That is why I'm asking for.
Respect, my lord, I can say this.
Yes.
My lord, now, my lord, it is. I really could not understand why not, my lord, in the Indo Stadium. But why not, my lord? Accepting that no, I shall do it. It remembered me, my lord, during our childhood. We used to say, "Na, amar oi lal balloon type."
No, no, open air program has a different flavor, Mr. Mitro. We are not political persons, both of us. So therefore, we cannot have the essence, or we cannot understand the essence. But open to air program has a different flavor, as I have heard.
I am not going into the question of maintainability of this feat, my lord, for the simple reason they have not challenged the subsequent, my lord, communication.
That's why nowadays contracts are also organized open to air.
Lord, allow us to do it in Dorina crossing. Lord, I have taken instructions. Lord, allow us to do it in Dorina crossing. Dorina crossing. Lord, Dorina crossing.
I'm asking for Rani. At the first instance, I asked for Rani
Dorina crossing.
Rashmani.
My lord is asking them to go to cathedral. I will do it at Dorina crossing.
So try to appreciate my position. Every day there are matters, urgent matters.
Can
Very
they
tough.
come back at 1 or 2, my lord, if it is not.
Let me pass an order.
Rani.
Let us go to, let us do it at Dorina crossing.
Once I asked for Rani Rashmani, now they want to go to Dorina.
No, I did not ask. I am stick to Mayor
There are
Road.
nearby places to Mayor Road.
Yes,
No.
The nearby places.
Where Rani Rashmani ends, Dorina starts.
yes. I'll do it at Dorina
In my
crossing.
vicinity, I have no problem. But I
Do it at
kindly
Dorina.
give me Rani Rashmani. I asked for it first.
My
I
lord,
made the
your
application on
lordship-
27 July.
Lord, my
They gave
lord,
me- when we were the authority on 3rd August. I gave the prescribed format. They did not give the prescribed format. My lord, today, I am much ahead of them. My lord, every time wherever I apply, they completely copy my application. and they
absolutely much ahead. Otherwise, why would they violate a court's order and come
Rani
to court?
Rashmani is that
Always ahead.
It is
from the
on the left side of the
Always
bus stand. Left side of the bus stand, which leads directly to Eden Gardens. There is the flank. There is the ground also.
Rani Rashmani, if I know it correctly, my lord, is the, my lord, road which connects, my lord, the Esplanade, my lord, SN Banerjee Road.
SN Banerjee Road to
Police Memorial.
Raj Bhavan.
Yes.
It proceeds
Yes.
to Raj Bhavan.
On that flank, your lordship, while coming to High Court, would have seen, my lord, at least 100 programs in 1 year.
That is Rani Rashmani.
There is Rani Rashmani Avenue, and there is one Rani Rashmani Road, my lord, near College Street.
And the Dorina, exact location of Dorina?
My lord, Dorina crossing is the Esplanade crossing, which is on the right hand side of Y channel, which goes to
Lord, Dorina is the Lord Esplanade crossing. Lord,
which
when your
goes to
lordship is
Shialda
going
on
from
one side
here
and Central Avenue.
to Lord SN Banerjee Road, that crossing opposite Metro Cinema, that is Dorina crossing.
But give them Dorina, my lord, but kindly give us Rani Rashmani. Let them take instruction.
Yes, cathedral. Let them go to
Malad,
cathedral.
You have done it.
My lord, 21st July, I went to Cathedral Road. Let them go to Cathedral
The
Road.
whole program on Rani Rashmani Avenue.
But for us,
No, for them.
but they have not applied for it. They did not
I
ask for
applied
it.
from your road.
But I asked for Rani Rashmani. Kindly not
I
give it to
applied from
them.
your road. I applied from your road, Lord.
Malad,
I
21st
applied
July, I
from
went to
your-
Cathedral. 21st July, I went to Cathedral. Malad,
You
let them
did
go
not
to
like and
Cathedral.
you want to change the place.
This time, Malad, give us Rani Rashmani, Malad. And Malad, as far as Malad,
Can hold program
But as far as
21st on the cathedral, so do it this time also on cathedral,
Yes.
Malad kindly gives the Rani Rashmani.
and let them be permitted to hold program at
But
Rani.
I did not ask for. But I did.
Because they convene this program at Mayor Road.
Yes.
So therefore the Rani Rashmani is nearer to
Nearer to-
Mayor.
Malad, therefore, Malad, your lordship kindly considers. Malad, Mayor Road.
It is not the issue that who is convening program closer to Mayor Road.
No.
There should not
I am
be
not on that.
any competition.
Malad,
to that
firstly, I am on the point that Mayor Road can be given. Mayor Road can be given in the afternoon. Mayor Road can be given, Malad, on a weekday, but Mayor Road cannot be
Yes,
given to me.
Court is also subject to hearing. Learned Advocate General. Court is also considering that yes, both the organizations can be given, can be permitted to hold program at Mayor Road near Gandhi statue, provided they can organize it jointly. Otherwise,
In that case, Malad, I very well, Malad. If your lordship is not giving us Mayor Road, gives us Rani Rashmani. That is my humble request, Malad. But do not give the Rani Rashmani to them
No.
because it is my
Right.
request to your lordship, my lord.
Right.
My lord, upon taking instructions, my lord,
What is the number of participants you have applied?
My lord,
nothing mentioned.
my lord, in the
Yes,
supplementary we
application.
have mentioned, my lord, 5 to 6,000. If your lordship, my lord, want
Where
to,
you have stated?
in my supplementary
For
affidavit.
21st July, they could
show
not
me
gather
from your
800
application.
persons.
No, in my application, I did not mention that.
But in
If
the
my lord wants to,
No
in
prescribed format
in
given
the
by them.
prescribed format, they have
supplementary.
My lord, they have not given.
copy the,
They have not given a prescribed format.
at a copy the supplement. No, kindly give me a minute. কোথায় লিখেছিস? Document কোথায়? There's no document. Document. Yes, my
First of
kindly
all, the
take,
writ petition is copy paste from my writ petition.
Lord, this sort of submissions, I don't think
I can show the spelling.
should make it
I
court.
can show the spelling mistakes have been copied.
So you should be careful not to make any mistake in the next time.
Same
Don't put-
spelling. I misspelled Maidan. They misspelled Maidan.
So be careful, don't make a mistake next time so that we can copy properly.
that shows that they are following you.
Yes,
They copied.
Lord,
They copied.
we are
They
followers.
copied. But it is also true that whom my learned friend is representing now, we were representing before the election.
Have your
Lord,
organization
page 11
have
of
your
the supplementary
organization
affidavit.
submitted the application in
Yes, page
prescribed
11.
format?
Page 11 of the
In your
supplementary.
writ petition?
Supplementary page 11.
Not in the writ
Your
petition.
supplementary.
Page 11.
এই দেখি সাপ্লিমেন্টারিটা দেখাও।
আমার তো copy নেই।
ও রিট পিটিশন
সবাই party নয় আমার।
ঠিক আছে, রাইট এর ডেটটা কবে?
পেজ 11
একাটার সঙ্গে পার্ট।
হ্যাঁ?
পার্ট উইথ একাট।
expected number of participants West Bengal.
Team Lord 10,000. My lord may restrict
10,000.
it. My lord may restrict it to Lord.
Then you do it on Maidan.
Brigade.
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 My lord may restrict it to
Because when we asked for that amount, my lord,
Rani
the
Rasmoni,
state said that for this amount we should go to Maidan.
Rani Rasmoni Avenue. Rani Rasmoni Avenue. My lord may give us Rani Rasmoni Avenue. Can restrict the
I
number.
prayed for that.
I will permit you.
Oh,
Do
we'll
program with
restrict.
10,000 participants.
Lord, we'll restrict the.
Do it at one part of brigade.
We'll restrict the number. But
And
Rani
it may-
Rasmoni Avenue
it
would be
may also
convenient.
enhance.
Would be convenient for the participants to Milord come and join. It is nearer to metro stations and Esplanade, Milord. We'll restrict the number of participants. My lord restricts that. Milord, on a working day, we can't, Milord, bargain on this, that you
Mr.
have to give me, you have to
Bandyopadhyay,
give
why
that.
you are praying for permission if it is not at Mayor Road, at Rani Rashmoni?
My lord, because
What is the char meaning?
no charm in it. My lord,
Then-
the area between the median is more or less the same. The area between the median to the left flank, which is where the grounds are there, cricket grounds are there, that is more or less same as that of Mayor Road. So, my lord, the rectangle that can be created to accommodate my number of people is same in both the places. Dorina can also accommodate that, but that is more of a oval shape, which will ultimately culminate into. When the people congregate, my lord, it takes some shape. That is why, my lord, in the alternative, we
Organized
ask
in
for
front of metro channel.
yes, in front of metro channel, which one flank leads to Shialda and the other one leads to Central Avenue.
Yes.
But my lord, Rani Rashmoni, my lord, several
It will also choke the main thoroughfare.
Rani Rashmoni will cause
Dinesh
less,
Road will be choked.
Rani Rashmoni will cause my lord less inconvenience. My lord, kindly put us in Rani Rashmoni because that is, my lord, that is also
That's
my
what
lord,
I'm
if we
saying.
take one.
That's what
I
I'm
prayed
saying.
fast. He is only copying my prayer,
Very well. Like the petition, I am also copying. But
copying my party, copying my symbol, and copying my prayer and the
after suffering an interim order, petitions after petitions being filed in court without challenging that interim order.
My lord, you will only consider.
Yes, Mr. Mitro, what is your submission?
Difficulties, my lord, they have said 6,000. 6,000 people, my lord, on my lord, Rani Rashmoni Avenue, my lord, with.
No, I'll restrict it to 800 to 1,000, not
Kindly, my lord, kindly see, my lord, lordship is aware.
both will be permitted to hold program with same number of participants.
My lord.
Lordship is.
My
That will be in between 800 to 1,000, not
Lordship
near.
is aware of, my lord, what happened at Cathedral. In spite of, my lord, your lordship's order, my lord, that one flank would be kept open, my lord. It was not done. It was brought to the notice of the court, my lord, on the next day, on 31st, possibly on 31st of July, when your lordship wanted reports to be filed. It was not, my lord, objected to. And, my lord, there are videos. There are videos to that effect that both the flanks were closed. My lord, that is our lordship is aware, my lord, Rani Rashmoni, or I will tell you, lordship, my lordship possibly is not aware. Rani Rashmoni Road, my lord, is the main road where through which is the thoroughfare through which, my lord, all the buses from North Calcutta, Central Calcutta, my lord, go to, my lord, Esplanade.
Yes, but if this program is organized after the office hours, is say if it starts from at 12,
Still,
12 to 2,
the buses cannot
12, 1, 2, for 2 hours, 12 to 2.
The buses cannot go. The buses will not, my lord, be able to reach, my lord, either, my lord, the destinations. That is the whole difficulty, because the entire road.
No, police authorities have successfully tackled 3 programs or 2 programs on 21st of July.
Yes.
Successfully tackled.
Yes.
So you follow the same
Your Lordship, the difference is, my lord, cathedral. There, my lord, at least, my lord, some arrangement could be made, because
it is Chhatra Parishad's program, whereas 21st July program was the general program of two political parties.
That was Jubo.
So therefore,
That was youth.
so therefore, I don't think there will be much problem. Permit the Mr. Mitra, since this court and also you had the occasion to appear before this court regarding the matters seeking permission from the police authorities to hold program on 21st of July. Similar arrangements were made by the police authorities, and successfully situations were tackled. So therefore, what is passing through my mind is this, subject to hearing you, that I will permit the Mr. Bandyopadhyay's client to hold program on Cathedral Group and Mr. Chakraborty's program on Rashmoni.
But I'm grateful to
No, my lord, Rashmoni, I prayed for, my lord. Kindly, my lord, kindly. Well, I request your lordship, my lord, not to send me to Cathedral. Then give me Dorina crossing, my lord. Then give me Dorina. No, my lord, I'm not bargaining, my lord.
Dorina and Rashmoni are nearer places.
Then, my lord, it was then
not at all.
My lord, I pronounced the moment I pronounced Rani Rashmoni, they said I want to do it.
Then do it at Hajramo.
My lord, Hazram has never been done for 28 years. It's not a central
The situation is completely different, Mr. Bandyopadhyay. What is done in last years or previous years,
last 28 years,
yes,
not
that
only
will not
15 years.
that will not create precedents.
But not only 15 years.
Because this year situation, so far your political party is concerned, is completely altered. So therefore, don't be swayed by the program.
Then give me Dorina at least.
In a
It's a
manner
central location.
which was conducted in previous year.
Hazra is not a
is not going
central
to party.
location.
If you are not agreeable to hold program at on Cathedral Road, then I am giving you 2 options: at 5-point crossing, Sambajar, or at Hajra,
Or at
Hajra Monkey.
my lord, if your lordship, my lord, if it has been my fault in mentioning Rani Rashmoni, which your lordship is giving to the petitioner at item number 5,
that is
in
not
that case, give me, my lord, to correct that fault.
Object of this court is to
Give me a Dorina.
permit
My lord,
the
they did
police
not.
authorities. Object of this court is to permit both the organizations to hold program on same day at same time, but there has to be a reasonable distance between 2 venues.
Right. In that case, my lord, send them to Cathedral. Let me be a Rani Rashmoni, because I had prayed for it before.
Since Mr. Bandyopadhyay, you have held
But
program
as an officer of the court, I prayed before your lordship for Rani Rashmoni.
1st of July program on Cathedral Road. I will permit you to hold program on Cathedral
But because on that day,
and they held program at Mayor Road near Gandhi statue. That will be shifted from Mayor Road, because I am not giving this venue to any of the wings of this Trinamool Congress. I will give this venue will be kept vacant for future years, and they will be permitted to hold program at Rani.
but your lordship will kindly remember the injustice meted out, where the permission for Mayor Road was given to them by the police authorities, and I had to come to court before lordship, my lord, to ask for preservation of my fundamental rights, and then your lordship sent me to Cathedral Road. This time the permission has not been given to Mayor Road. But the instance
for Victoria House, not Mayor Road. And
you're right.
Kindly look into your lordship's order. It was, my lord, 700 to 21st.
2,500.
2,500 I permitted.
No, that was my prayer. My prayer.
No, in 21st of July program, how what are the number? 2,500.
2,500.
Mayor Road was 700.
They only volunteered for Cathedral.
No, in my order on 21st of July program, I permitted number of participants to congregate.
Malad, in 2,500. But in that case, Malad, the Mayor Road should not be given to any political party. There cannot be a pick and choose.
No, that will not be given to anybody.
What
Because
is he
they are-
asking for?
Mayor Road will be given.
He's bargaining with the court like this. This is not
Right,
done.
right, Mr. Chakraborty. Don't bargain with the
Not
court.
done.
Then I'll dismiss your writ petition.
Not
No,
done.
that
And I allow the writ petition of Mr. Chakraborty.
well, that your lordship is entitled to do,
the
Malad.
whole program.
But if I am
on
not
Rani
being able
Rashmi.
to canvass any fundamental right, Malad, your lordship will definitely dismiss it. No problem, Malad.
Mr.
How can I stand in the way?
Mr. Advocate General, permit them. I will direct the police authorities to hold program one by the petitioner in WPA 21728 on Cathedral Road, one flank of Cathedral Road, and another organization whom Mr. Chakraborty is
Yes,
representing. they
your
will hold program
WPA
on Rani Rashmoni.
double triple
One
two
flank
zero
of
five.
Rani Rashmoni Road.
One
One
flank,
flank of
one
Rani
flank.
Rashmoni.
Strict ballot, the number.
To 2,500, Malad. That is the capacity of Cathedral Road. Cathedral Road has a capacity of
No,
2,500.
Mr. Bandyopadhyay, matter was fixed subsequently. Report was filed. I distinctly remember in this report, both flanks of Cathedral Road was blocked.
Also,
Were blocked.
Malad, only maybe Malad for a very short period, Malad. But Malad, it has. Malad, may I say this, Malad? A practical thing, Malad. It's not bargaining, Malad. If one flank is closed, in front of academy.
Give me that order, which I have passed so far. Cathedral Road is.
Yes, Malad, I'm getting Malad. Kindly give me a moment, Malad. Malad, if one flank is closed in front of Academy of Fine Arts, that flank cannot be utilized up to planetarium. It cannot be. Because no vehicle can come into that flank. In that case, Malad, in place of 800, kindly gives me 2,500. Then the flank can be utilized.
No,
But-
what is the capacity of Rani Rashmoni?
Ballot, it cannot be more than 700 ballot. 700. Otherwise, ballot, the entire
50,000 capacity is there.
You are getting Rani Rashmoni restricted by 1,000.
Well, last time they could not gather 800 people even after.
Mr.
Can I-
Chakraborty,
what
since
can
you
I
are
say?
getting better place,
What can I say?
which is nearer to Mayor Road,
ballot,
which is
it
nearer
will
to
be-
Mayor Road. Rani Rashmoni is nearer to Mayor Road.
I don't want to bargain with.
And it is far away from.
I don't want to bargain with you.
1,000.
Kindly, ballot, don't make it 1,000 ballot. I will beseech your lordship ballot. It will
It
speak.
is a student swing program. Student swing program.
Yes, yes.
So, my lord, we can.
Kindly don't. say
Students will come.
Malad,
I don't.
So the states
The
do not
duration
oppose
of
it like
program
this.
is 12 to 2.
President of Chhatrapati.
12 to 2. 12 noon to 2 p.m.
My lord. But our numbers should be same. We should not be. My lord.
2,500 Cathedral Road capacity is there.
Okay.
And in Mayo Road, they had applied for 800 people for the entire organization. They could not gather 800, 600 people gathered.
These
No, to
statements,
that
I don't know
extent, I am
from
not
where he
extending
is
to that.
getting all this.
Who
I
can
don't know.
who could attract more people
Ah.
that I would not go.
Well, I am
I will
only,
not deal
I am
with
only
that.
trying to avoid a situation where state will mention the matter on Monday saying that I had more people than 800. Malad, kindly give me 2,500, which is the proven capacity of Cathedral Road. And Malad, also Malad, up to 3 p.m. Malad, kindly. Up to 3 p.m. Malad, kindly. Malad, if your logic is 12 to 2, then it starts raining from 12 to 2, Malad.
How
If
would
it's not
you
breathing-
know? How
if
would
it's
you
not
know
breathing,
that
Malad,
the rain will come
12
from
to
12
3,
to
Malad.
2?
12 to 3. 12 to 3. It's really.
He is not bargaining. Kindly mark this. He is not bargaining. But
Malad, if I am required to, Malad,
3.
if I am required within my bounds, Malad, I will, Malad.
Writ petition is up.
But make it kindly makes it 12 to 3. Malad.
Let me dispose of 2 writ petitions by a single order.
My lord.